Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then type Settings. Now in here click on Apps, click on Default Apps. Now type Chrome, open Google Chrome. Now here you will see a list of extensions like PDF.html. So guys, if you want to, for example, open PDF in Google Chrome, so click here. Now select Chrome, then click on OK. So all PDF file will be open as a default in Chrome, and similarly like you want to open .html in Chrome, so click here and select Chrome, then OK. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By the simple steps we can know how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.